Hello and welcome to Saki Tech. So in today's video, I will be going over relational and equality operators in our C++ programming tutorial series. This will be tutorial number 8, and I do recommend that you go and watch the previous tutorials so you can understand this one better. Now if you go to my channel and navigate to my C++ programming playlist, you will find all my C++ videos. So let's get to business. Relational and equality operators in C++. Okay, so in tutorial number 6, we talked about the Boolean data type. So let me declare a variable of type Boolean and name this result of expression. In fact, let's do it in a cleaner way. Expression, and then do Boolean result of value comparison. Now, if you remember, the Boolean data type can only be assigned two values, true or false. And the reason I declared these variables of type Boolean is because we will be comparing expressions and values, and the result of the expression and values will either be true or false. So forget these for a second. Let's talk about all the available relational and equality operators in C++. Okay, so the first one is equal to. The next one is not equal to. Then you have greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Now the only operator here I want to put a special emphasis on is this one right here, the equal to operator. Now this looks very much like the assignment operator, but the assignment operator only has one equal to sign. Okay, so if I say A is assigned to 5, what that does is that assigns the value 5 to A. Okay, but when I say A is equal to 5, this is a relational comparison. So is A equal to 5? If A is in fact also 5, this would evaluate to true. If A is some other number than 5, this will evaluate to false. Okay, so this is equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, so let me delete these and write some real code. So let's use this variable right here. Okay, result of value comparison, and we're going to use the assignment operator, and then over here we're going to put a value comparison. So let's do 5 equal to 5. So pretty much what's happening here is the computer is comparing is 5 equal to 5, and the result of this value comparison is being assigned to result of value comparison variable. Okay, so remember, anytime you use relational operators to compare two values, the answer is either true or false. And to make this even clearer, let's just put this in parentheses. Okay, so let's do another one. Result, we're going to use the same variable for this whole thing. Assigned to, put this in parentheses, and is 7 greater than 10. Okay, so this expression is going to evaluate to false, and the value false is going to be assigned to the variable result of value comparison. Okay, now let's do one more. Result of value comparison is assigned to, let's do, is 5 greater than or equal to 5, semicolon. Okay, so the expression here is going to evaluate to true, and the value will be assigned to result of value comparison. Okay, and let's do one more. Result of value comparison is 2 not equal to 3. That's almost a question. Is 2 not equal to 3? Yes, it is not equal to 3. So this evaluates to true, and the answer is assigned to result of value comparison. Now there's not many examples I can give you guys until we go into if and else statements. In C++, you use these relational and equality expressions to perform if and else operations. So if 5 is not equal to 2, do this. You know, if A is not equal to B, do that. And that we're gonna come to that in later videos, and we're gonna do a full coverage on everything. Okay, so next let's do comparison of expressions. So far we have been comparing two values. These are numerical constants. This is the number 5. This is the number 10. We can actually compare expressions, and that is really when the what you will be using. This is just child's play. Comparing two numbers is child's play. So expressions is where the real stuff is going to be at. So let's declare a couple of variables. Let me declare integer a, b, c. In fact, let's do it one by one. Integer a is b, and remember, I'm declaring a variable of type integer, and I'm initializing into 5. Okay, that's what this expression means. So let's do integer b is equal to 10, and let's do integer c is equal to 15. And what we can do here is, I'm going to use the other variable. Now I'm going to do result of expression. I can assign things like this: a plus b larger than c plus b. Okay, so this is purely math. What the computer does is it adds a plus b, which is 15, and it adds up c plus b, which is 25, and then it sees if 15 is larger than 25. Is 15 larger than 25? Which evaluates to false, and the value of this expression is assigned to this variable. So let's do one more. So result of expression, let's say the expression is c plus b equals 2a plus b. So remember, this is almost like a question. Does c plus b equal to a plus b? So what is c plus b? It's 15 plus 10, 25. A plus b is 15. Does 25 equal to 15? This is going to evaluate to false, and the answer is going to be assigned to result of expression. And like I said, we will be using things like these when it comes down to if and else statements, which is a big part of C++. So let's do one final example here and close this tutorial. Okay, so C plus B not equal to A plus B. Okay, and put the semicolon. Remember that always. So C plus B is 25, A plus B is 15. Is 25 not equal to 15? Yes. So the expression is true, evaluates to true, and the answer is assigned to result of expression. So result of expression carries the value true. Okay? Whatever you assign to it. So remember, the result of a relational operation is always a Boolean value, which is either true or false. And the biggest thing is not to confuse the assignment operator with the equality operator. Okay? Always remember that. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel for more C++ videos to come, and click the like button if you liked this video, and thank you for watching. Also, don't forget, I have many more C++ videos. To watch them all for free, go to my channel and navigate to the C++ programming tutorials playlist. Thank you.